Alright guys, this isn't actually piano black like the CTS-V interior. I did get one of those Tesla screen radios and it came black. That was an option. So I'm going to be painting the bumper and the hood for this car and blending the front fenders. So I went down to the paint store and just grabbed some paint for it. So this is the actual paint for the body. So I'm going to try and see how well it matches the piano black for the interior. So hopefully I can just get away with painting the trim pieces this color. Hey everyone, so I kind of already started off today without filming it, but all I've done so far is today's the day that I am painting everything. So I got my CTS-V bumper here, CTS-V hood here, got the car all prepped, it's all masked off. I'm sanded the fenders down with an 800 grit on a DA sander. I'm just going to blend the hood and the bumper into the fenders so that I don't have to continue into the whole car. Make sure the paint matches really nice. So the way you do that is DA sanded the whole fender without going through the paint with 800 grit. Cleaned it really well. The bumper was bare and the hood was white, so same thing. I DA'd the hood, I scuffed up the bumper. Those are both already primed with epoxy primer. I just did that. I didn't film it, sorry. So I'm just waiting for that to set up. I like to let that set up for like a few hours before I attempt to shoot a base coat over it, just in case I have to fix any like little dust things or anything. I'm not really in the best environment, I'm just in my garage doing this. I'm not a painter, I'm a hobby painter. It's all pretty much low buck stuff. This is a Harbor Freight, trying out their new Spectrum gun. Seemed to work pretty good on the sealer coat, so hopefully it continues to spray nice. Hopefully I'm able to control it because, like I said, I'm not a painter. So basically that's that. The other thing I want to do today is the taillights out of the car, obviously. So I've done this on a lot of different cars. This car is going to be all blacked out. One of the things I like to do is I use this nightshade stuff. Now typically when you buy this and you spray it, it looks like crap because it comes out as a matte finish. But I've had really good luck where I spray this, let it sit for a little bit, and then I can clear coat it with a real automotive clear coat, and it looks glossy and it looks like it came that way. So. And it's protected, so you don't have to worry about fading or anything like that. So I also scuffed up the taillights. I got those all cleaned up, and this you just, it's like a candy almost. You do however many coats that you like. The more coats you do, the darker it is. You want to spray this really evenly because you will see imperfections. Like if you, it's like spraying a candy. So if you spray it too much in one spot, it's going to be darker in that spot. So you don't want it to be like that. So try and do it as even as you can. I like to use a new tip at least. So every car I do, I just buy a new can, whether I have some left or not, just so I know that the tip is good on it. It's not going to get clogged up because, $20 can of this stuff is going to save you a lot of headaches if you screw it up because it's really hard to get off there. So I'm going to spray a couple of coats on this and get it ready so that way there, when I get all the base coat done, I can clear coat these, do it all in one shot, have it all ready to go. spray gun tip too. You can already see after one coat, it's significantly darker. I don't like to go too dark because then it just looks, I don't know. I like to keep it kind of legal looking, and so it just kind of looks like it came that way, you know. I guess subtlety is kind of what I do with everything. So I might do one more coat on those just to make it a little bit darker because the whole car is going to be blacked out. Typically 2 coats is pretty good. Because everything's going to be black on this car, I think it's going to be, I think one more coat would probably be good. I'll probably just do a little bit of a lighter one. But sprayed real nice, and that's kind of why you want to reuse the, not reuse the tip, just do it fresh every time. So I'm going to let that sit up for a little bit, and I'll get back to you.